Are you ready to transform your body, change your life, and finally achieve your fitness goals? Listen up! Mega Fitness Package is the ultimate solution for anyone looking to say goodbye to expensive, complicated gym memberships and start seeing real results right now from the comfort of your own home. We're talking about 58 complete ebooks and 5,000 articles packed with tips, tricks, and workout routines that require no equipment at all. Just imagine this: waking up every day motivated with step-by-step guides for targeted workout, learning life-changing eating habits that redefine your relationship with food. And the best part? A plan that fits seamlessly into your routine, no matter your schedule or location. This package isn't just a product, it's a fitness and wellness library. Need a routine to tone your legs? It's in there. A simple workout for your abs you can do on your living room floor? Got it! Plus, it includes 5,000 articles covering everything from exercises to lifestyle transformations. Now let me tell you what makes this a game changer. You get instant access to everything on your device. That's right. Whether on your phone, tablet, or computer, the content is all yours, right in the palm of your hand. And here's the kicker. There's a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, which I highly doubt, you can get 100% of your money back. No questions asked. I know what you're wondering right now. Is this worth it? Let me answer that for you. Absolutely, yes. For just $79.99, you're investing in your health, your confidence, and the body of your dreams. This package is incredible. And you know I only recommend products I've tested and know deliver results. So, click the link in the description right now, grab the discount, and start your transformation today. Don't wait. The body you've been dreaming of is within reach. And it starts here.